Hello everyone. Is your car struggling to shift gears smoothly? Are you experiencing delayed or harsh shifting? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0755, Shift Solenoid B Malfunction, this means your transmission is having trouble controlling hydraulic pressure for shifting, which can lead to serious drivability issues. In this video, I'll explain what P0755 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0755? The P0755 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a failure in Shift Solenoid B, which controls the transmission's hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. If this issue isn't fixed, it can cause harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, check engine light on, car stuck in limp mode. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components responsible for this problem. Shift Solenoid B. Location: inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure to shift gears properly. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function: monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure proper shifting. Transmission input speed sensor. Location: on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function: tracks input shaft speed to regulate transmission performance. Transmission control module. Location: usually found under the hood, near the battery or firewall. Function: controls solenoid operation based on sensor inputs. Common causes of P0755: faulty shift solenoid B, wiring or connector issues, dirty or low transmission fluid, faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. How to fix P0755. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect shift solenoid B with a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. If left unfixed, P0755 can lead to serious transmission problems. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0376 and P0377 codes. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.